Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off HDR effect in REDnote application. So first of all, open up your REDnote app. Now on the application, you will see all sorts of pictures and posts that are made by people that are using this application. So first of all, you have to click on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top left corner of your screen. Now from here, you will see an option that says settings. So you very simply have to tap on that. Now on your settings, you have to tap on general settings. In general settings, you have to scroll down and you will see an option that says HDR effect. So to turn that on, you very simply have to toggle this on. And if you want to turn it off, you very simply have to toggle it off. So everyone, by using this method, you can very easily learn how can you turn on or off the HDR effect in REDnote application. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.